We have a consumer alert to tell you about involving popular children's cough medicines. Two brands, Robitussin and Dimetapp, are being voluntarily recalled due to potential overdose risks. The products are children's Robitussin honey cough and chest congestion DM and children's Dimetapp cold and cough. The company, GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare, says the wrong size dosing cups were put in the packages, meaning parents could unknowingly pour too much medicine. For more information on this recall, head to our website, cbsnewyork.com.